Good morning students, I am Samatha, lecturer in chemistry. Today we are discussing about nitrogen compounds. In that, first of all we have to discuss about nitro compounds. Nitro compounds means organic compounds which are having nitrogen can be broadly. These compounds are classified into two groups. Compounds containing nitro functional group and compounds containing amine functional group. Here nitro functional group means NO2 functional group and amine functional group is a NH2 functional group. The compounds which are having NO2 functional group, those are called as nitro compounds, and the compounds which are having NH2 functional group, those are called as amines. These both are comes under nitro compounds. Nitro compounds means the organic compounds which are having nitrogen, then that compounds are called as nitro compounds. Nitro compounds are based on functional group. Nitro compounds are two types. Mm, Nitro functional group and amine functional group. NO2 functional group is the nitro functional group. NH2 functional group is the amine functional group. In this nitro compounds, primary source of organic compounds with functional group NO2 to start the synthesis of many other important compounds. Here NO2 functional group containing compounds are used in many synthesis of some important compounds. The NO2 group is attached with organic chain, then that is called as a nitro functional group. All the compounds containing the nitro functional group, the organic nitro compounds, these nitro compounds are classified into two types, that is aliphatic nitro compounds and aromatic nitro compounds. Nitro compounds means the compounds which are having NO2 functional group, those are called as nitro compounds. NO2 functional group, if that is NO2 functional group is present at aliphatic chain, then that compounds are called as aliphatic nitro compounds. Aromatic means aromatic ring is bind with NO2 functional group, then that compounds are called as aromatic nitro compounds. Here first is aliphatic nitro compounds. If the nitro functional group is attached with the aliphatic carbon chain, then it is called as a aliphatic nitro compound. They are weakly acidic due to their azinitro form, and they are soluble in alkalis and can undergo condensation reaction with aldehydes. Here examples for aliphatic nitro compounds is CH3NO2. Here aliphatic group is CH3, NO2 is the nitro group. The name of this compound is nitromethane. If ethane functional group is having NO2 functional group, then that is called as a nitroethane. Nitropropane, nitrobutane, nitropentane, these all are comes under aliphatic nitro compounds. Aliphatic chains with nitro functional group, those are called as aliphatic nitro compounds. Next is the aromatic nitro compounds. If the nitro functional group is attached with benzene ring, then it is called as a aromatic nitro compound. All aromatic nitro compounds are yellow colored liquids which may change to dark brown color due to oxidation. Here best example for aromatic nitro compound is nitrobenzene. Benzene ring is directly attached with nitro functional group, then it is called as a nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene is best example for aromatic nitro compounds. Aromatic ring directly attached with nitro functional group. Here all aromatic nitro compounds are yellow in color and these are exist in liquid state. When these are undergo oxidation, the color will be changed yellow to dark brown color. Here the structure of nitro functional group. The NO2 group is called as a nitro group. It is electron withdrawing group due to its inductive effect as well as a resonance effect. Here nitro group is act as a electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group means it attracts the electrons from the adjacent carbon or adjacent group, or attract the electrons, or this group is take the electrons from the adjacent atom or molecule. Here or NO2, here alkyl nitro group. The structure of NO2 is N double bond O, and one side is N single bond O and minus. This is the one of the resonance structure of nitro compound, and this is the resonance hybrid structure. This one is first resonance structure, and it is second resonance structure. In these structures, nitrogen is having positive charge, oxygens are having negative charge. Means here the negative charge is moves between the oxygens. So first this oxygen is having negative charge, then this negative charge is shifted to another oxygen, and double bond shifted to from one oxygen to another oxygen. So here resonance hybrid structure is this one. Nitrogen always having positive charge, negative charge is moves between the two oxygens. So here resonance structure is like this. Negative charge is between two oxygens. We are showing here dotted line. So this is the resonance structure, hybrid structure of nitro functional group. Next is the nomenclature of nitro compounds. Organic compounds containing nitro functional group are called as nitro compounds. They are obtained by replacing one or more hydrogen in the hydrocarbon with nitro group. Here the nitrogen is directly attached to the carbon atom in organic chain. Based on that we are giving nomenclature to that compounds. Here the nitro group, NO2 functional group, nitrogen is directly attached to the carbon chain. The general formula of a nitro compound is RON O minus. Here nitrogen is having positive charge and oxygen is having negative charge. Nitro compounds are named by prefixing with nitro with the root alkane name with the locane. Here methane is having NO2 functional group, so it is nitromethane. And second one is CH3 CHNO2 CH3. This is the propane chain. In propane chain, second carbon is having NO2 functional group. So 2 nitropropane. In nomenclature, first we are giving name to the functional group based on carbon number. The nitro functional group present at which carbon, based on that we have to give name. Here second carbon is having nitro functional group, so 2 nitropropane. Basic alkane chain is a propane chain, so 2 nitropropane. Next is preparation of nitroalkanes. Here we are seeing three preparation methods. Nitration of alkanes, second one is from alkyl halides, and third one is treating amines with KMnO4. Okay, here we are seeing preparation of nitroalkanes, nitration of alkanes, Second one is the from alkyl halides, and third is the treating amines with KMnO4. Okay, first reaction, nitration of alkanes. Alkanes are treated with nitrating mixture. Here nitrating mixture is the concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4. The mixture is called as a nitration mixture. Alkanes are treated with nitrating mixture with concentrated sulfuric acid to give nitro compounds. This method will not give good yield in case of aliphatic nitro compounds, but will give best yield for aromatic nitro compounds like nitrobenzene. Ethane on nitration, it gives nitroethane. Okay, here nitration of alkanes means this is the direct reaction. Here we are taking any one of the alkane. That alkane directly undergo nitration process. Here nitration mixture is concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid. Alkane directly react with nitration mixture and give nitroalkanes. Here example reaction is ethane CH3 CH3, this is ethane. Here nitration mixture is this one, concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. Here main product is nitroethane. Here one of the hydrogen of ethane is replaced by NO2 functional group. But in alkyl nitroalkanes, this reaction not to give best yield compared to aromatic alkanes. Aromatic nitro compounds are will give good results by using of this direct nitration reaction. When we are taking benzene and react with nitration mixture, concentrated sulfuric acid and nitric acid, nitrobenzene is formed. That reaction will give good results compared to aliphatic nitro compounds. Here alkanes are treated with nitrating mixture with concentrated sulfuric acid and nitric acid to give nitro compounds, but this method will not give good results compared to aromatic. Aromatic compounds will give good results. Example reaction, ethane plus HNO3 plus H2SO4 and give CH3CH2NO2, nitroethane. This reaction is direct nitration of alkanes. Okay, next second reaction is from alkyl halides. By treating iodoalkanes with silver nitrate, iodoalkanes on reacting with silver nitride give nitro compounds. This method also will not give good yield for nitrobenzene, but all the aliphatic nitro compounds can be prepared by using of this method. For example, iodomethane or iodoethane on treating with silver nitride and give nitroethane. First reaction is good for aromatic nitro compounds. This reaction is good for aliphatic nitro compounds. By using of this reaction, we are preparing aliphatic nitro compounds. Here we are taking any alkyl halide. Mainly we are taking alkyl iodides. Here iodoalkanes or alkyl iodides undergo reaction with silver nitride and give nitroalkanes. Example is iodoethane. Iodoethane is react with AgNO2. This one is the iodoethane CH3CH2I. AgNO2 is the silver nitride. Iodoethane react with AgNO2 and give CH3CH2NO2. This one is the nitroethane. Here byproduct is AgI. AgI means silver iodide. Okay, this is the second reaction by treating iodoalkanes with silver nitride. Okay, next reaction is by treating amines with alkaline KMnO4. Okay, treating amines with alkaline KMnO4. Tertiary amines on treating with alkaline KMnO4 give tertiary nitro compounds. This method works only with tertiary amines. By using of this preparation method, we can prepare only tertiary amines. Tertiary amines react with KMnO4 solution and give tertiary nitro compounds. By using of this reaction, we can prepare only tertiary nitro compounds. This one is the tertiary amine, tertiary butyl amine react with KMnO4 and give tertiary nitro compound, that is the tertiary butyl nitro compound. Okay, tertiary amines on treating with alkaline KMnO4 to give tertiary nitro compounds. Okay, here nitro compounds means organic compounds which are having nitro functional group. Those are called as nitro compounds. Based on that functional group, nitro compounds are two types: nitroalkanes and amines. Nitroalkanes means, or nitro compounds means, the compounds which are having NO2 functional group, those are called as nitro compounds. Amines means same nitrogen, but here functional group is different. Amine means the compounds which are having amine functional group, those are called as amines. NH2 functional group containing compounds are called as amines. In nitro compounds also again classified into two types: aliphatic nitro compounds and aromatic nitro compounds. Aliphatic nitro compounds means the aliphatic groups are having NO2 functional group, then that is called as aliphatic nitro compounds. For example, nitromethane, nitroethane, nitropropane, nitrobutane, nitropentane, hexane, heptane. If the aliphatic chain or aliphatic compound are having NO2 functional group, then that is called as aliphatic nitro compounds. And second one is the aromatic nitro compounds. If aromatic rings are directly attached with NO2 functional group, then that is called as aromatic nitro compound. Best example is nitrobenzene. Benzene ring is directly attached to NO2 functional group, hence it is called as a nitrobenzene or aromatic nitro compound. Aliphatic nitro compounds, if the nitro functional group is attached with aliphatic carbon. Aliphatic carbon means alkyl groups: CH3, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane. Those all are aliphatic chains. The aliphatic chain is having nitro functional group, then that is called as aliphatic nitro compound. But these aliphatic nitro compounds are weak acidic nature, means aliphatic nitro compounds are having weak acidic character, but these are soluble in alkalis and undergo condensation reaction with aldehydes. This is the some of the physical properties of aliphatic nitro compounds. Example is there, that is CH3NO2. CH3NO2 is a nitromethane. Next is aromatic nitro compounds. If the nitro functional group is directly attached with benzene ring, hence it is called as aromatic nitro compound. All aromatic nitro compounds are yellow in color and these are exist in liquid state. When these compounds undergo oxidation process, the color will be changed from yellow to dark brown color. Here structure is there, that is the nitrobenzene structure. Benzene ring is directly attached to NO2. Okay, here NO2 group is exists like this. N single bond O, one double bond is showing dotted line. Nitro compound, the NO2 functional group is called as a nitro group. It is electron withdrawing group. Nitro group is the electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group means this group attracts the electrons from the adjacent carbon or adjacent group. Okay, due to its inductive effect as well as resonance effect. Here Rn single bond O minus double bond O. Here nitrogen is always with positive charge and oxygens are having always negative charge, but here negative charge is moved from one oxygen to another oxygen. So here possibility to form two structures. Okay, negative charge on one carbon and second compound, another oxygen is having negative charge, but here negative charge is delocalized from one oxygen to another oxygen. So here two resonance structures are possible. Here resonance hybrid structure is there. This is the resonance hybrid structure. Okay, this one is resonance hybrid structure. This is the resonance hybrid. Nitrogen group is always having positive charge, oxygens are having negative charge. Nomenclature of nitro compounds. Organic compounds containing NO2 functional group are called as nitro compounds. These are replacing one or more hydrogens in the hydrocarbon with nitro group. Here the nitrogen is directly attached to the carbon atom in the organic chain. Okay, here the aliphatic chain or aromatic chain, whatever it may be, the one of the hydrogen from alkyl or aryl group is replaced with the nitro group. For example, we are taking methane CH4 react with NO2. One of the hydrogen of methane is replaced by NO2. So CH3NO2 is formed. For example, we are taking ethane. In that also one of the hydrogen is replaced by NO2 group. For example, we are taking benzene ring. In benzene ring also one of the hydrogen is replaced with NO2 group, and for form nitrobenzene. Based on that, we are giving name to the nitro compounds. For example, in methane, one of the hydrogen is replaced by nitro compound, nitro functional group, then that is called as a nitromethane, nitroethane, nitropropane, or nitrobenzene. This is the nomenclature of nitro compounds. Here general formula of nitro group is there, that is RNO2. Example is there, CH3NO2, nitromethane, and second one is the 2-nitropropane. Propane ring is having NO2 functional group at second carbon. So first we have to give number for that functional group containing carbon. So second carbon is having NO2 functional group. So it is called as 2-nitropropane. Next is the preparation of nitroalkanes. Mainly three preparation methods are there. One is the nitration of alkanes, and second one is the from alkyl halides, and third is the treating amines with KMnO4. Okay, mainly these three are the preparation methods of nitroalkanes. First is nitration of alkanes. Alkanes are treated with nitrating mixture, that is concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid. Okay, directly alkanes react with nitrating mixture and give nitroalkanes. Okay, here from nitration mixture, first nitroelectrophile is formed. That nitroelectrophile directly react with alkane, and one of the hydrogen is replaced with NO2 electrophile and form nitroalkanes. Okay, this one is the direct nitration of alkanes. Alkanes are treated with nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture is concentrated sulfuric acid and nitric acid. From this nitration mixture, first electrophile NO2 plus nitroelectrophile is formed. This nitroelectrophile react with alkane and replace the hydrogen atom and form nitroalkanes. Here example reaction is the CH3CH3. This compound is ethane plus HNO3 plus H2SO4. HNO3 H2SO4 mixture is called as nitration mixture and give CH3CH2NO2, nitroethane. Next is from alkyl halides. Here alkyl halides directly react with silver nitride and give nitroalkanes. Here mainly alkyl halides means iodoalkyl halides or iodoalkanes on react with silver nitride AgNO2 and give nitroalkanes. But this reaction is not suitable for aliphatic nitro compounds. This is best for aromatic compounds. This method will not give good yield for nitrobenzene, but all the aliphatic nitro compounds can be prepared by this method. Okay, this reaction is suitable for aliphatic nitro compounds, not suitable for aromatic nitro compounds. Here example reaction is the iodoethane on treating with silver nitride and gives nitroethane. Okay, for example we are taking iodopropane. Iodo-propane react with silver nitride and give nitropropane. Here byproduct is the silver iodide. What is this reaction? Simply we can say iodoalkanes on reacting with silver nitride and give nitroalkanes. But this reaction is not to give good results for aromatic nitro compounds. This is only suitable for aliphatic nitro compounds. Most of the aliphatic nitro compounds can be prepared by using of this method. Next is by treating amines with alkaline KMnO4. By using of this method, only tertiary nitro compounds can be prepared. Here we are taking tertiary amines. Tertiary amines on treating with alkaline KMnO4 and it gives tertiary nitro compounds. This method works only with tertiary amines. Here we are taking tertiary amine, that is tertiary butyl amine. Tertiary group is there and this tertiary carbon is having amine functional group, so it is called as a tertiary butyl amine. Tertiary butyl amine react with KMnO4 and give tertiary nitro compound. Here also nitro. Simply this reaction is oxidation reaction. So here NH2 group is oxidized to NO2 group by using of KMnO4. So this reaction is example for oxidation of amines. Tertiary amine undergo oxidation with KMnO4 and form tertiary nitro compound. Okay students, this is about today's session. What is that? Nitro compounds. Okay, mainly nitro compounds means the compounds which are having nitro functional group, those are called as nitro compounds. Based on that nitro compounds also aliphatic nitro compounds are there and aromatic nitro compounds are there. Aliphatic means aliphatic chain. If the aliphatic chain is having nitro functional group, then that is called as aliphatic nitro compounds. If the aromatic chain is having nitro compounds, that is called as aromatic nitro compounds. Here example for aliphatic nitro compounds: CH3NO2, nitromethane, nitroethane, nitropropane, butane, pentane. These all are examples for aliphatic nitro compounds. Aromatic nitro compounds are the aromatic ring is having nitro functional group, then that is called as aromatic nitro compounds. Example is nitrobenzene. The structure of nitro group. Here two resonance structures are possible for nitro compounds, R N double bond O, single bond O. In every structure, one of the oxygen is having negative charge, nitrogen is having positive charge, and resonance hybrid structure is also there. Nomenclature based on that aliphatic or aromatic chain, we are giving nomenclature to the compound. General formula here RNO2. Here R is the alkyl aliphatic group or aromatic group. Example, if R is CH3, then that is called as nitromethane. Here if the R is propane chain, then that is nitropropane. But in case of these long chains, here we have to give priority for nitro containing carbon number also. Here second carbon is having nitrofunctional group, so it is called as 2-nitropropane. And some of the preparation methods are there. What is that? Nitration of alkanes from alkyl halides, treating amines with KMnO4. Here, by direct nitration of alkanes, alkanes are treated with nitrating mixture and give nitroalkanes. Alkyl halides, react with silver nitrate and give nitroalkanes, but here mainly iodoalkanes are react with silver nitrate and give nitroalkanes. Byproduct is silver iodide. And next reaction is by using of KMnO4. Here tertiary amines undergo oxidation with KMnO4 and give tertiary nitro compound. By using of this preparation method, we can prepare only tertiary nitro compounds. Here also example reaction: tertiary amine react with KMnO4 and give tertiary nitro compound. Okay students, this is about today's session. Hope you understood. Thank you.